Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue chapter MS Excel, and today we will discuss how to select a row, how to select a column, how to rename a worksheet. So in the previous video we have already discussed that this from A, B, C, D, this is the row and this is the column. So how to select it? For selecting it, just click mouse click से एक बार click करो and drag it till where you want to select. Select करने के लिए क्या करना है? Select the cell from where you want to start and drag your mouse till where you want to select it. So like this you can select it. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Dragging. Selecting by dragging. Or you can click and drag it in this way, and like this also you can select it. So this is how you can select a row as well as select a column. Like if you want to write the heading, so like if I want to select these many rows and I want to merge it. Merge करना मतलब इसको मिला के क्या करना, एक सेल बना देना है ना. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, बहुत सारा सेल है. So what I am going to do, I will just drag it and I will write merge and center. As I will click on merge, तो ये एक सेल बन जाएगा. See, all the cells are gone. So it is like one cell and you can write whatever you want to write as a one cell. ये अब क्या बन गया, one cell, because we have merged the cell. सारे cells को हम लोगों ने क्या कर दिया, merge कर दिया. So this is a feature known as merging. Same thing you can do in columns also. Select like this and merge. ठीक है? So this is how we can select it. We have studied in the last class that by default we have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4. Sheet 5, like I have just added so many worksheets, but by default there are only 3 sheets. How many sheets? 3 sheets. So today you will learn how to rename it. So for renaming it, what you need to do is just right click on the sheet. Like this is the sheet 1. I want to rename the sheet 1. So first of all I will select the sheet 1 and I will give a right click. After giving a right click, there is an option of rename and I will be giving it a name like I am giving it class 1A. This is sheet 2. Right click again, rename. I will give class 1B. Like here. Again right click, rename class 1C. Again here right click, rename class 1D. See, previously it was with the name sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4, but now I have renamed it. Now I have renamed it and it has different name. It is easy for the user to understand that in which cell what kind of work we are doing. So it is easy for us, for the user. User मतलब वो जो इसको use करते हैं. So like this is how we can just rename it. Now there is also option for deleting it. For deleting it, right click and click on delete. You see the sheet 5 will be deleted. चला गया. Now I will be deleting sheet 6 also. For that right click and click on delete. See, it will be deleted. It has been deleted. So there are 4 sheets now. Like this, if you want to remember it with a different color, then you can apply some color also. Like right click. There is option for tab color. You can choose the color. वो उस color से आएगा. Like see, it is coming in red color. Again right click, tab color, go for green color. Now it is coming in green. Right click, tab color, go for blue. Right click, tab color, go for yellow. Now you see, each of the worksheets are having different colors so that we could understand. कौन सा शीट 1 है, वेयर इज 1C 1D फॉर रिमेम्बरिंग, है ना. इट इज गुड फॉर अस ओनली. सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन rename the worksheet, we can delete the worksheet or provide different color to the worksheet for our convenience. After that, it is like how you can save it. For saving it, we have already seen we need to go to File tab, and then there is an option for Save As, and here we will be giving the name of the file and we will clicking on Save. Then this workbook will be saved, and I have said that workbook matlab there are many worksheets. Because there are 4 worksheets, it will be saved as workbook, not as worksheet, क्योंकि workbook के अंदर बहुत सारा worksheets होता है. So we will be saving all these 4 worksheets in this Excel workbook. Once I will be clicking save, it will be saved. See, already it is saved from any of the name. Now it is like how to enter. For entering anything, what you need to do, just click, है ना, just click and type anything from the keyboard. You can write it. This is very easy that you can write it. लिखने में कोई परेशानी नहीं है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आसानी से इसको क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग, लिख सकते हैं. Like we can also select cells from shift key. तो उसके लिए क्या करना है, click here. I am pressing shift key and then down arrow key. It is being selected, है ना. मैं shift key press कर रही हूँ, साथ में down arrow key. If you want to see practically, I will be showing you. 1 minute. How I am using the keyboard, you can also watch it. Like this is a virtual keyboard. We have already studied about the virtual keyboard, my dear students. अगर याद होगा तो, like see, my mouse is here on this cell. I will be clicking shift key, and after clicking shift key I am pressing the down arrow key. Can you see? ये नीचे select हो गया. Shift key, down arrow key, shift key, down arrow key. शिफ्ट की मतलब कि क्या करना है, एक फिंगर से शिफ्ट की को प्रेस करके ही रखना है. बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग इट फ्रॉम द वर्चुअल कीबोर्ड, मुझे बार बार करना पड़ रहा है. लेकिन व्हेन यू विल डू इट प्रैक्टिकली, तो एक फिंगर से क्या करो, शिफ्ट की को प्रेस किए रहो एंड प्रेस द डाउन एरो की. इफ यू वांट टू गो टू द राइट, देन यू गो फॉर द राइट. इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर द लेफ्ट, गो फॉर द लेफ्ट. सो बेसिकली इट इज अप टू अस, है ना. जरूरी है शिफ्ट की के साथ क्या करना है, उसको सेलेक्ट करना है. शिफ्ट की के साथ होना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, शिफ्ट की सेलेक्ट किया, डाउन एरो, शिफ्ट की सेलेक्ट किया, डाउन एरो. लेकिन जब प्रैक्टिकली करोगे तो क्या करोगे, एक की से फ्रॉम वन फिंगर यू विल बी प्रेसिंग द शिफ्ट की एंड देन यू विल प्रेसिंग द डाउन की, down arrow key, like this. See, I am pressing the shift key, now down arrow key. Automatically it has been selected by the help of keyboard. So you can select the rows and column also from the help of your keyboard. So these are few things we need to understand about the Excel. So few tricks. In the next video I will show how to do calculations. So thank you, my dear children.